Welcome to online classes. Before explaining in the second recording, I will refer what Rohini Singh says. We went in the morning and returned at dusk. We felt nothing uncanny, says Rohini Singh, who visited Bhangar a couple of years ago. Even the guards say there are no spirits or ghosts there. We went to Bhangar in February and it was crowded. Clearly, they had come to check out its haunted reputation and were going into every shaded spot and shouting and screaming. Now I'll start from here. The only odd things, if you can even call it, that was we found no shops or eateries outside. Explanation 1. There was a strong thing if the visitor could call that there no one could find store and food stall outside of the Bhangar fort. Explanation 2. It was very peculiar thing that the visitors could call they could not find any store or cafe. Explanation 3. It was very funny thing that the visitors could not find or could not observe any outlet or a restaurant. Now from the book, at any other popular fort there would have been several, says. Rohini Singh says that the other forts would have been available such item. Explanation 2. As per Rohini Singh, in the other ports would have been available respective items or things. Explanation 3. Rohini Singh says there is no shop and cafe outside of the Bhangar fort, whereas would have been available different items in the other ports. Means in other ports there shall be shop and a restaurant, cafe, etc. outside of the port. Now the explanation over. Now you can open your homework copy so that you can write some words for word meaning and other words for opposite word. Just write in your fair copy, homework copy. 1. Spook, S-P-O-O-K, spook. 2. Sanctioned. 3. Spot. 4. Forbids. 5. Outskirts. 6. Picturesquely, Picturesquely, picturesquely. 7. Spooky, S-P-O-O-K-Y. 8. Probably. 9. Suspectable. 10. Ruin. 11. Atmosphere. 12. Revenge. 13. Instance. 14. Decide. 15. brave. 16 reputation. 17 uneasy. 18 occurrences. 19 fame, FAMED. 20 spookiness. 21 dusk. 22 crowded. 23 check. 24 shaded. 25 screaming. 26 eateries. Once again I will tell the words, 26 words here. 1 spook. 2 sanctioned. 3 spot. 4 forbids. 5 outskirts. 6 picture squirrely. 7 spooky. 8 probably. 9 suspectable. 10 ruin. 11 atmosphere. 12 revenge. 13 instance. 14 decide. 15 pray. 16 reputation. 17 uneasy. 18 occurrences. 19 famed. 20 spookiness. 21 dusk. 22 crowded. 23 check. 24 shaded. 25 screaming. 26 eateries. Now you can write the words. You have to search out the opposite of these words. 1 abroad. 2 believe. 3 success. 4 recent. 5 scare. 6 wonder. 7 check. 8 reputation. 9 facilitator. 10 rank. 11 officially. 12 sanctioned. 13 entrance. 14 outskirts. 15 reaction. 16 possibly. 17 ruin. 18 suspectable. 19 uneasy. 20 negative. 21 occurrences. 22 famed. 23 dusk. 24 clearly. 25 popular. 26 several. That is the end of this 26 words. You have to search out the opposite meaning. Number 1 again I will tell. Abroad. 2 believe. 3 success. 4 recent. 5 scare. 6 wonder. 7 check. 8 reputation. 9 facilitator. 10 rank. 11 officially. 12 sanctioned. 13 entrance. 14 outskirts. 15 reaction. 16 possibly. 17 ruin. 18 suspectable. 19 uneasy. 20 negative. 21 occurrences. 22 famed. 23 dusk. 24 clearly. 25 popular. 26 several. Now I will hold this page, that is for word meaning, and also I will hold the page opposite word. So just you take the snapshot of the both page. Take the snapshot of this page. And check out whatever words you have written. Cross check to avoid mistake. Now here are the words, opposite word. Just wait for couple of seconds. It is the list of the words. You have to search out the opposite. This is the end of your chapter, section 2, unit 1.